In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Booksy online booking website with this easy guide using biz.booksy.com and booksy.com. Booksy is a fantastic tool for managing appointments, and enabling online booking can provide both you and your clients with a smooth and efficient experience. So let's dive into the process of setting it up. First, you'll need to navigate to the Booksy business website. Open your preferred web browser and enter this URL, biz.booksy.com. Here, you'll see the standard Booksy homepage, which is your first step towards setting up online booking. On this homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button, ready for you to click. Clicking on Login will prompt you for your credentials if you're not already signed in. Simply enter your information and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your homepage. Now, the critical part is locating the business settings. On the left taskbar, look for the gear icon, which symbolizes settings. This icon is your gateway to configuring various aspects of your account. With the gear icon identified, click on it. This action takes you into the business settings area, where you can manage your booking preferences, including enabling online booking options. Amidst all the settings available, focus on finding the online booking option. This is crucial as it directly pertains to setting up your business for online client interactions. Once you've spotted online booking, go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be allowed to make your business visible to clients. One key feature you'll need to locate is the search visibility option. This feature ensures that your business can be easily found by clients looking for your services. Now, ensure that the search visibility option is toggled on. This is one of the most important steps, as without this setting enabled, your business won't be visible to potential new clients on the platform. Look for the toggle switch and make sure it's turned on. It may sound simple, but this little switch greatly impacts your business's online presence. After toggling the search visibility on, double-check everything to ensure it's set up correctly. A quick review of your settings can prevent any unforeseen issues and assure your clients can find you without any hitches. That's it! You've successfully set up your Booksy online booking. Remember, by enabling online booking, you not only enhance your client's experience, but also streamline your scheduling process, making management a breeze. Thank you for joining today. And now you're ready to start getting bookings through your newly enabled online booking website.